Hi guys, today we will talk about how to find a picture activity on your Pinterest app. We will go to figure out the selection on Pinterest. Uh, we will go to find the activity picture. You just click here on save, then it's going to take you to next window here, like you say. Then you just go up, you click here on app, and it's going to show for you this window like this. Then you just click here on settings, and it's going to take you to this window here, and you just click here on home feed channel, and you come to this window, and you come into your hair activity. You found this picture here like you say. So that's all. You found all activity picture you have on your Pinterest app. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.